Today's topic is Sun, the ultimate source of energy. We know that the energy we received from Sun is called solar energy. Energy we received from Sun is called solar energy. This solar energy reaches Earth in the form of short waves is called insolation. Solar energy reaches Earth in the form of short waves is called insolation. So we know that the continuous flow of insolation, the Earth's surface gets heat. Through the continuous flow of insolation from morning to evening, through the continuous flow of insolation, the Earth's surface gets heat. But the atmosphere never gets heat the same time. Atmosphere heat after transferring the heat from the Earth's surface. So there are four main processes of heat transferring. Through this process, the Earth's surface transfer this heat to atmosphere, then only the atmosphere gets heat. Let us check what are the main process of heat transfer. First one, conduction. Second one, convection. Third one, advection. And fourth one, terrestrial radiation. Let us check what are the different process of heat transfer to the atmosphere. First one, conduction. So, conduction means heat is transferred to the part of the atmosphere close to the Earth's surface. Heat is transferred to the part of atmosphere close to the Earth's surface. You can see here, this green color shows the hotter surface of Earth and the arrows shows the heated part of atmosphere. So the heat is transferred from the part of atmosphere that close to the Earth's surface. This process is called conduction. Next one, convection. Convection means the heat is transferred to the lower part of the atmosphere, then it will expand. The heated air expand and then it rises up. So this process is called convection. Heated air expand and rises up, and then the cold air moves downward, then it heats, then it again moves upward. So this process is called convection. Convection means heated air expand and rises up. Then the third point is advection. What is advection? Advection means the horizontal transfer of heat by wind. Horizontal transfer of heat by wind. That means the heated air is transferred horizontally by wind. Heated air transferred horizontally by wind. Here you can see the arrow shows the movement of air. So the heated air transferred horizontally through wind. This process is called advection. Then the last one is terrestrial radiation. Terrestrial radiation means heat is transferred from the surface of Earth to the outer space. It is in the form of long wave. Heat is transferred from the surface of Earth to the outer space. It is in the form of long wave. Through this process, the atmosphere gets more heat. Because this is in the form of long wave, so the atmosphere particle can absorb more heat from this long wave. So that the through the terrestrial radiation, atmosphere gets more heat. So these are the main four processes of heat transferring to the atmosphere. First one, conduction. Heat is transferred to the part of atmosphere close to the Earth's surface. Second one, convection. Heated air expand and rises up. Then the third one is horizontal transfer of heat through wind. Then fourth one is terrestrial radiation. That means the heat is transferred from the surface of Earth to the outer space. It is in the form of long wave. So the atmosphere particle can absorb more heat from this long wave. Okay, clear? Thank you.